Welcome back to Lyra Tech, everyone. Today we are diving into the world of frozen treats with the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe Ice Cream Maker. This machine promises 11-in-1 functionality for all your dessert cravings, from sorbet to milkshakes. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let us kick things off by exploring the core capabilities and how effectively. The 11 one-touch programs are a massive strength, allowing you to create everything from ice cream and sorbet to frozen. With XL family-sized 24-ounce tubs, this model holds 50% more than the original CREAMi, and the dual processing feature lets. Advanced CREAMify technology ensures an ultra-smooth texture every time, while the respin function lets you fine-tune for your preferred consistency. Ingredient control is superb, allowing you to easily make protein-packed ice cream, low-sugar sorbet, or dairy-free frozen yogurt, which is. Overall, the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe truly shines in its versatility and advanced texture control, making it. Next, let us evaluate the practical aspects of owning the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe, covering. The machine features a sturdy motor base with dual-drive motors, suggesting robust construction, though its height of 16. The inclusion of two dishwasher-safe 24-ounce XL tubs with storage lids makes cleanup significantly easier, which is a definite plus. At a price point of $249.95, this is a premium kitchen gadget, and while it offers a lot of functionality, a key point to consider is its exclusive compatibility with NC500 series XL tubs, meaning you will need to purchase. In summary, the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe offers a durable design and easy maintenance, but potential buyers. The Ninja CREAMi Deluxe is an impressive machine for anyone serious about homemade frozen desserts. Its 11 programs and large capacity make it incredibly versatile for families and health-conscious users alike.